Hi, this is Alifia Jain from She Bakes exclusively on Chillax. Here's a quick fix for your sweet tooth cravings, a simple no-bake chocolate truffle recipe. Hope you liked my chocolate truffle recipe. For more such videos, download Chillax. And if you want me to bake something for you, mention in the comments below. See ya!